y'all, welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do lots of fun unboxings. We do beauty, we do skincare, lifestyle, snack subscriptions. You guys, we do all kinds of everything. So if you love subscription boxes, this channel is for you. Not to mention, we do live streams and giveaways. We do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, as well as the thrift bag, where I chose to give away the brand new Betsy Johnson backpack. And we also have a subscription box overload type, if you will, giveaway where there's a makeup set and a skincare set. So we have two winners for that. That does not end until the first week of October. The other two giveaways both end on the 22nd of this month. So definitely enter if you have not already. But as you can see from the title down below, today is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus Day. Yay! So we have our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2019. So let's get in here and see what we got. I'm so excited, you guys, for next month, for October, with all the changes. You know, we get to pick one item in our regular bag, in our plus, and the ultimate. So I cannot wait to see what the ultimate has in store, what they do with it. Oh, that was kind of tough to open. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then we have the foam. And this is what I see. There's some extra products in here. I forgot I redeemed some points. So we have some stuff in here, some goodies. Let me get out what, was it just one item? Maybe it was just one. Maybe it was, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All right, so I redeemed points. This was to put into a future giveaway. This is from Goldfaden MD, a skin balancing mask. So that will go to one of you guys in a future giveaway. And again, if you do not know about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me fill you in. It is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you receive 5 beauty items. They're going to be all full size based on your beauty profile. Now, it does always come with a card. Find Your Light is the theme for September 2019. And it says, September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding star. Where will it lead you? So same thing that was on the actual Ipsy bag, the same card. So let's get in here. Now, the first thing I see, I am super excited about. It is from Oprah. And it is the Madison Miller MIDI palette, Miller Squad, right here. And it says, the squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette, which includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shook status and a perfect soft pink blush. Take your glow bestie to go with the slim, travel-friendly compact with a mirror. So that is awesome. And here it says this is a $35 value. So this right here has already paid for the box. So let's open her up and take a look. Ooh, so that is like a really sleek palette. I do like it. Oh, and it does have a really, really nice big mirror there. And then here are the shades. They are all gorgeous. Let me do some swatches. We have kind of like, well, okay. This one is definitely like a rose gold, I would say. Showing you everything. This is obviously the blush, and then this is more of a goldish highlighter. So we will do the gold highlighter, the blush, and then the rose gold. They feel amazing, which is not surprising being Oprah formulas. So there they are swatched. You can see kind of the more gold toned, the blush, and then the more the rose gold toned highlighter there. Beautiful. I'm so excited about this. So excited. I wasn't thinking I should have had a makeup wipe because now I have stuff all over my hands. All right. Then from Illamasqua, Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. This is a $27 value for a lipstick. This is, again, more than the cost of the box. These beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick in a cool-toned mauve pink swipes on with an immediate color payoff. Its vitamin E infused formula conditions lips for a creamy application. All right, well, let's see. And I do love a good liquid lip, but I am finding that I am reaching more and more for bullet lipsticks. There's just something about them. They don't have that drying factor, and I just really enjoy them. So here we have the packaging. Oh, and that is beautiful. I love that. So I have obviously all these swatches. So where are we gonna put you? We'll put you right here. That was just a really odd angle. But right there, you can see it. That is gorgeous. I love that so much, and it felt so creamy. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Then we got from Glam Glow, the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Right there. And this is $34. Formulated with ultra refreshing Teoxy, green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai, this exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined, glowing complexion. Awesome. That is amazing. Oh, y'all, I'm just, oh, with this. All right, and then we have from Sive London, the Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. And this is $22. This ultra blendable translucent powder from formula-driven innovator Sive London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. Now this I'm probably going to put to the side because last month in BoxyCharm we got that Becca powder and I love it. And I'm not really one to bake and set and do all of that too much. So I know this probably would just sit. So I will be putting this to the side for a future giveaway. So look out for that. And then our final product is from Wander Beauty. Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. So here is the outer packaging, $21. Founded by a jet-setting mother and supermodel duo, this team crafts low-fuss formulas that deliver high-impact looks. This brow-boosting tool with an ultra-precise pencil tip on one end and a spoolie on the other gives you smear-proof strokes with a natural-looking finish. All right, so this is in taupe. Now, is that gonna be... And it's, of course, the box is taped. I don't know if taupe is going to be too dark. So both ends of the box are taped, so I don't have a choice here but to like destroy the packaging. All right, so here is the actual product, the Wander Beauty. So we have the oh, I have something. I have like glue on my nail. That's weird. Oh, why do I have glue on my nail? It's always something. It is. It's like sticky glue. It's probably, because I just filmed my Ipsy versus Ipsy, it's probably from the bags, the Ipsy bags. But anyway, we have a spoolie on one end, which is great. And then we have the retractable, and it is super fine. Like, that is like, I think this might work. Oh yeah, that'll work. You can see it right there. That's actually a really good shade match. So I'm excited to give this a try. I've really gotten into doing my brows a little bit more, where before I wouldn't. So we got the Wander Beauty brow pencil. We got the Glam Glow exfoliating cleanser, the Oprah and Madison Miller palette, which is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Then the Illamasqua, this beautiful creamy lipstick, and the Sive London Extraordinary translucent setting powder, which, like I said, will be in a future giveaway. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Were we box twins? Did you get some of the same items? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on the items I received. Was your box completely different? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.